Healthy smoothie recipes. Try this simple orange and grapefruit smoothie recipe for hypertension. You'll need 1 banana, 1 grapefruit, 1 orange, 5 kale or spinach leaves, 4 ounces, 115 ml, of filtered water, or green tea. If you have low blood pressure, this spinach avocado smoothie recipe is for you. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of plain non-fat yogurt, 1 cup of chopped fresh spinach, 1 chopped frozen banana, 1/4 cup of sliced avocado, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of honey. For digestion and constipation, try this pineapple turmeric smoothie. Here's what you'll need. 1/4 cup of oatmeal rolled oats, 1 cup of 100% coconut water, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, 2 medium tangerines, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of honey. This fruity ginger mint smoothie is ideal for diarrhea and upset stomach. You'll need 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of fresh pineapple, 1/2 cup of 2% or non-fat plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, plus more if necessary, 1/2 teaspoons of fresh grated ginger or 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoons of ground turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. Optional, a few fresh mint leaves. 4. This diabetic-friendly mango almond smoothie. You'll need 1/2 cup of frozen chopped mango, 1/2 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of frozen sliced banana, 1/4 cup of plain unsweetened almond milk, 5 tablespoons of unsalted almonds, divided, 1/8 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1/4 cup of frozen cherries, 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Have a migraine? This minty watermelon smoothie recipe might help. You'll need 1 cup of watermelon chunks, 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of spinach, 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Try this pomegranate berry smoothie recipe to regulate cholesterol. You'll need 1/2 cup of pomegranate juice, 3/4 cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen, 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 cup of non-fat vanilla yogurt. This ginger citrus smoothie is great for when you have the cold or flu. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 to 3/4 cup of water, or orange or pineapple juice, 2 medium oranges, 1/2 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger, minced, 1 cup of spinach, 2 frozen bananas, sliced. Optional add-ins, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw honey, pinch of cayenne pepper and turmeric. This iron-rich tropical smoothie recipe is great for anemia. You'll need 2 cups of baby spinach, 2 cups kale, stems removed, 1 mandarin orange, 1 juiced lemon, 1 cup pineapple, fresh or frozen, 1/2 cup orange juice, 8 ounces of iced water. If you have trouble sleeping, have a peanut butter banana smoothie before bed. Here's what you'll need. 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 2 cups of ice cubes. If you suffer from frequent anxiety, this avocado cinnamon smoothie might help. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of fresh spinach, 1/2 cup of full-fat plain Greek yogurt or vegan yogurt, 1/2 of medium avocado peeled and pitted, 1 frozen medium banana, 3/4 cups of unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. For all recipes, combine ingredients, blend until smooth and enjoy. If you're on medication, ask your doctor for information on recipe dosages right for you.